time it was that I went live, but fuck it, we back. It's Friday, September 6th, and we're about to just do some back testing. We're about to do some back testing. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Got my kids in the background making noise. Alright, so we're back testing gold on Tradezella. I've been working on this back testing session for a little while. Let's see. So, just a quick background because it's been a while since I've been on live. Quick background. What we're doing here is I started an account with, not started an account. Started a back testing session with $2,000. And the reason why I started with $2,000 is because that's pretty much where my account, my actual live account size is. It's roughly around $2,000. So I want to back test my system. I want to back test my system from that to kind of see what kind of growth I can have. Pause. So, real quick, like I said, I've been on this back testing session for a while, so it's not the greatest results. I'm not too thrilled or proud of my results through 53 trades total here. You can't really see that because I'm in the way. Let's see, can I move myself over? Can I move myself over? How do I do that? Alright, that's all good. Anyway. So not the greatest results. I mean, I'm up, but just barely. After 50 trades, I'm only up $360. In the simulated time frame, that is from January of 2023 to March of 2023. So I'm not too thrilled with that. I would like to be up more than that. So. But that's the point of this. This is so that I'm not wasting my time in the markets and I can kind of try to fine tune my system a little quicker. Try to find something that works, a profitable system that I can use and apply and try to see if we can get some consistency out of the markets. So, just to give a quick breakdown, what I like to do is, I trade structure. So I utilize, I utilize trend lines, supply and demand levels, or support and resistance levels, whatever you want to call it. I do use fibs as well. I'm not sure what's going on with this. It's not loading. I think it's because I got such a low time frame. But yeah. So pretty much. Structure and confluences is what I look for to take trades. I like to have at least 2 to 3 confluences. Three preferably, but I'm also looking to see if I can fine tune what I'm doing here. So that I may start taking trades that look a little bit different. So we're just testing things here, and this is going to be an ongoing thing, and I plan on back testing until I make enough money out of the markets that I can just live off of trading and not my 9 to 5 or my 7 to 7, because that's pretty much what I work. I work 12 hours. I work from home, but my job is pretty demanding at times, so it's pretty hard for me to stay consistent with trading. That's a big reason why I haven't been, why I haven't been live streaming consistently like I really want to. Excuse me. Yeah, so I haven't been backtesting like I really want to. I haven't been trading like I really want to. Actually, I haven't taken a real trade on my live account in, let's see, where is that? When was the last time I took a trade? Yeah, I'll show my account, but not today. Let's see. I'm pulling it up down here on my other screen. Last time I took a trade was, I guess, a month ago, but I only took August 6th and August 5th, I took 2 trades. They were both losers, and prior to that, I hadn't taken a trade since 7/22, and that was a loser as well. So my last win was 7-9. So yeah, I've been struggling. But time frame has also been an issue for me. So we're working on everything. I'm working on trying to free up some time at work so that I can trade. And I need to start making time to backtest. I work a lot of hours and I have a bunch of kids, so it's tough. But I gotta make time. Alright. So that said, enough talking, enough bullshit. Let's just get to the back testing. Alright. So we're gonna zoom out. I'm gonna get a nice picture of the weekly. We're gonna zoom back in. We're gonna zoom back. See what kind of a bias we're working with here. It's crazy. What's crazy is I feel like this is March of last year. I feel like I remember when the chart actually did look like this last year. I'm just starting to realize that because it's going to create like a big triple top. We're going to end up getting a push down. So that's what sucks about backtesting is if you've been trading and you know what the markets have been looking like, then sometimes you got unfair bias. But I will say, I'm still getting my ass kicked, so I guess it really don't matter. Because being able to kind of recognize what the chart looks like on the weekly don't mean that you're going to be able to execute down on lower time frames. So I'm drinking tequila and I got a salted rim, so that's what that is. Okay, anyway. Let's see. And I'm at my mom's house today, which I'm wondering where she's at. She's in Atlanta. My mom lived more of a life than I do, I swear. Anyway. I'm at my mom's house with my oldest son and my nephew. I'll be here until tomorrow and I'll head back to the crib. I'll be streaming from the crib starting tomorrow. Not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm not going to get there until late. So probably Sunday. I'm going to try to see if I can get a session on Sunday after the twins go to bed. Because Lord knows I can't get no streaming in with the twins all up in my shit. They don't be making noise. Alright. Okay, anyway, so let's get to it. What time is it? It's 9:18. I'm not sure how long this stream for. Maybe an hour. We'll see how we feel. I was actually just watching academic streaming. That motherfucker be streaming now, and that's kind of what I want to be on the trading side. I really want to get to a point where I'm streaming constantly. Let's see. I got multiple screens up, so I'm not looking at this one because I'm looking at some other shit. Let's see. What's I about to do here? Oh yeah. All right. All right. So gold is falling. Okay. So this is the daily. So in the lower time frames, we're going to be looking to sell this all the way back down to this zone here, at least to this red zone. I don't want to get this out of here, or at least let's keep it, let's bring it back here, because that got violated here. We're going to get a more accurate zone. I feel like I need to start doing this, because just dragging zones all the way across, they like the zones change, I think, or not the same zones get respected. So I want to keep it more current. We're gonna see if this is something that helps. I'm gonna track this. Okay. So it's bearish on all time frames, from the weekly, daily, all the way down. So it's just time. Got multiple time frame confluences. So that's plus. Let's get some background music. Because it seems really. I just need some. Let's get that on there too. And then we're gonna get some. Let's see some lo-fi. So like I said, I'm looking for selling opportunities down into this area. This is major. This is huge. Yeah, I'm looking for my sells down into the zone. This is my next stop up. So if we can get any kind of a pullback here, any kind of structure to get in, now my idea here for a sell entry is going to be if I can get price here, like back at like the somewhere here, then I will just pause it before it plays out. If I can get price up here, I will take a tight stop right above these highs, something like this. Tight stop. Let's take price down. Or I also potentially take a trade entry from here. I'll just mark that for right. Just for mark that for right. Just for reference. I'll also potentially take an entry from here, but if I took an entry from here, it would be really, really low risk because we'd have a longer stop loss. But I also, if it continued to push back, I would continue to consider taking another entry here if I can find like a shift of structure on like the 5 or the 3 minute, something like that. So we'll see how this plays out. Just have a little pull back for me. Room, I feel like it's like blinding me. I'm not going to be happy if it pushes all the way down without giving myself another pullback. Give me something. Give me some kind of entry. And now that we push this far, I'm also watching this as a potential entry point. What's that look on the face of it? Yeah, it's like but I feel like I'm missing something. And I keep turning this background music down, and I keep on feeling like it's getting louder in my head. Okay, yeah, we might get that reaction now. Looks like we're getting that reaction right here. keep on wanting to like start a scalping strategy, like or like quick entries of just like once I get the break here, enter the night window. So we're currently trading. It's Tuesday, March 21st. And it's about to be 4 p.m. in the trading session. So we're about to be going into New York close. So I'm gonna see if we get any action. I don't think anything's really gonna happen between now and the Asian session. So I'm gonna see. All right, maybe we'll get that play in the Asian session, or potentially during London. And I should just speed this up a little bit. To 15. I think we're still going to speed it up a little bit. You know what? Alright, let's get rid of it. We're not looking at. You know what I haven't been doing? I feel like I look too much for like the big home run plays when I can trade the structure. That's my problem. I'm not trading structure. I'm trying to, but I'm trying to like time these huge moves when I can trade there in between. Like that's what I really feel like I need to be locking in a little better. Cause my goal is I want to be able to come in the markets daily. Not necessarily take a trade every single day, but I want to be able to find a good like locate. All right, we're going this way today. We're going that way today, and be able to come in get a nice little small piece of the pie and get out the way. In the beginning, especially when I'm working with, small capital, I want to be able to come in, get in, and get out. I'm not really trying to hold unless it's just moving continuously. But when price is doing price is doing this back and forth, when it gets here, I want to get out. Like, all right, I missed, and this is a horrible example, but like this is my style of trading. I got in, and I wasn't sure how far I was gonna go, and I got the fuck out. Now I ended up missing out on all of this, but gold don't always trade like that. Back here, it's not loading for some fucking reason. We traded back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. All of this right here. Back and forth between this zone. Back and forth between the zone. When we get to this zone, and it's back and forth here for a little while. When we get here, it's back and forth. Like, if I enter the trade here and I try to sell it, I don't want to wait for it to come all the way back here. I want to get the fuck out here. I want to get out here where I know I'm locked in. And I can get back in. If I see this breaking structure here, I can get back in. Boom, sell it back down to the zone again. That's currently my style of trading. When I have more capital and I can take like larger positions or more lot sizes, and then I'll be able to like secure profits by like closing posters and stuff right now. But right now, that's just not where I'm at. Right now, I need to just get in, make a play, and get out. Like currently, let's just take this from there because I don't need that there anymore. Currently, got this steep trend line here, right? I'm just working that field break structure. I do believe, and bear with me because I'm not home, so I don't actually have my mouse. I'm trying to do all of this with the damn trackpad. It's going to come on. So, as you can see, we're trending down here, putting lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. So we came up, we broke that high right here. So right here, you gotta recognize that. So not only did we break the trend line, we broke this high here. We didn't close above it, but we broke it. Still trying to watch and see what this does here. But to be honest with you, thinking about trying something that I normally don't do, which is if we get another break above here, taking an entry. But that's not my trading style. It's just something that it's a trading idea that I've been having for a while. It's like I've been having a bunch of different ideas when I watch the markets and how the charts move. I feel like there's other ways that I see I can capitalize off the markets, but I feel like I'm too stuck trying to find these perfect entries that I keep on like watching these videos and shit. But it's like maybe that's just not how I see the market. Let's see. Let's go ahead and play. See what happens here. See, here's what I was looking for. If we break above this, we're gonna push, but I still feel like a pullback is gonna happen. And I don't really want to get caught with a pullback. Alright, so we're just going to take a mental note of that right there. We're going to take a mental note of that. Because I could have been in this trade, but are we going to get the pullback? Like, now is it going to give us a pullback? We're starting to get a little bit of resistance here. But it also looks like it's about to power right through. I really would like for it to give me a pullback so I can get an entry here. This is a very risky trading idea that I'm having right here, because I'm trading against the trend by me even trying to. What time is it? Oh, okay. We're on the next day. We're going in the Asian session right now. See, it's still just pushing up. All right. I don't think it's gonna give us the pullback that I was looking for, which is fine because it's not really the trade I need to be taking. So if we could just go ahead and get up here. I'll trade it back down. Oh, okay, we're gonna pull that. Slight pullback. I don't know if it's gonna continue. Oh shit. Okay, there it is. I think we're gonna get a bounce off of this line. I gotta be careful here though. I don't want to miss it. Yeah, I think we're gonna get the touch to the line. Alright. And this is gonna be a real quick in and out low risk because I'm not going to be putting that high position on it. I would like for this to be maintained here. So that's what we're looking for here. I was watching Justin Berlin earlier. I was pretty good, pretty dope psychology video, man. Pretty much just kind of like helping me shift my mind to like stop thinking about the money and just thinking about like the execution. That's pretty much like the message I got out of it. Like just like it's all a facade. It's like just trying to get rich off of this. It's all a facade. Like just like this is what you like to do. If you love this, you got kind of passion for it, you just do it. I'm just trying to like really figure this shit out. And that's kind of what I'm on right now. I have a belief that this is gonna free me from like my current career path, and I'm not in a like I would like it to happen sooner rather than later, but I'm okay to just go on this journey, regardless of how long it takes me. That's my entry. Damn. I like the entry. Let's see if it does me wrong. See, I would have set a pending order. That's where I wanted. So I don't know how to set pending orders on here. So I'm just gonna take it from right here. scoop this up. But in real life, I would have set a pending order here and wait for it to be triggered. So we're just gonna take this. Basically $7. Let's see how this plays out. That's dangerous. See, this was a shit. Double down. Okay. not looking too good right here. Just jumped in. Now what this looks like to me is, well, it's come a little further down. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, terrible. Terrible. Go ahead and cut these losses. Cut these losses. $4 is good. Look at that. I know you fucking lying. I know you lying. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, yeah. Yeah, go ahead, push down. Go ahead, go lay down. That's more like, alright, no. I'm finna be mad. Okay, that's for all. What would've got stopped out there? Alright, so, but what we're looking at, I think we got the sell play though. Alright. Sell plays loaded up. It's ready to go. That was it. This really was it. I should have been looking for the sell here. Because once we got this big push down, I know we're trying to sell. I should have been looking for that entry. That was my mistake. And now I know better. 1 second. So, hindsight, dumb decision. Not sure why. Used alcohol. Blame it on the Alright. Chill out. That's crazy. What the fuck? Why ain't it just like... mistake there. Well, not a big mistake. I took a small little loss, $4. Alright. Where is my? There it is. Not sure why he keeps doing that. Still trying to sell it down to. Oh, we got a ways to go here. Alright. I do want to protect myself from that because I want to be prepared for this pullback. What's that? 24? Yeah, we'll go low risk on that. Potential to take another entry right here. So that's what we're doing here. Because this is not the best place that I'd like to get my entry from. I'd really like my entry here. I'll go ahead and stretch these stops to here. I'm risking $14, and then I'll take another position here where I risk the same, but at a 0.03. If we can get that done. really want this trend line to be respected, I may just go ahead and close it if we get a close above. If we get a solid close above, let me close it. There we go. Get a nice reaction now. Nice reaction, nice push. I need to see a continuation here so we can get some. Yeah. We keep rejecting this trend line. Just drag it over a little more. So. Come on, give me something. Fuck. Can't wipe that again. That's crazy. Crazy. Oh, I'm getting my ass kicked. Question is, do I want to? That's frustrating. I'm gonna look at this on my higher time frames. It's really frustrating. Big part of me wants to stretch this stop. What are we looking like on the hour? I feel like we're gonna get the continuation here. I feel like it just wants to like whip me out right here and then push down some more. It's either gonna work or I'm gonna learn a bad lesson. I'm afraid of either way, I'm afraid of what this does to my mental. Cause it's like, if it works, and it's like, all right, you're promoting moving your stop loss. And if it doesn't work, I'm just losing more than I anticipated I wanted to lose to begin with. Honestly, like triple times more than I want to lose because I entered a different trade. So I got 2 trades open, and I'm about to push them both back. Not what I did. Fuck. Alright, we're there. We're in it. Let's go. Push off of this line for the last time. Like, get away from it. I swear, it's like I'm finna cut these losses down. $37 fucking dollars. That's way bigger of a loss than I wanted to take here. respecting this line. We're still pretty much respecting this line. We haven't closed below this. We stayed below it. So it's like that's what's happening here. That's what's happening here. Yeah, if this shit was easy, everybody would do it. That's what you gotta remember, dude. This shit can set you free. Just gotta figure it out. Question is, how far back up is this going to retest? Alright, we lost. Let's not pull it. Let's not pull it down, though. Just go crazy. Let's control the loss. Alright, I already fucked it up and I lost more than I should have. Let's control the loss. Let's go ahead and control that. Oh, look. Yeah. Yeah, no. I think we're going up. I think we're going up. This chart is saying, fuck what you think. That's what's happening right now. My nose on camera. My thing is, we haven't created a new high. So technically, we should still be selling. I just think price could come all the way up here. So off of this trend line, we just can't really touch it. It needs to choose where it wants to go. What's happening right now? Why we're not moving? Oh, press play. Chopping around in this range. Moving in this range for kind of long. We're in this range here. Oh, gold is a motherfucker. All this fucking chopping is doing. Alright. This is no man's land right here. This is pretty much what that is. No man, and rotating trades above or below. Just gotta be careful. When gold gets under consolidation, you just gotta wait for it to get out. And that was my mistake here. Came down and made a new low. Alright. Consolidation, gotta leave it. That's what I just kind of, my lesson I just learned there. Gotta break above the range. Break above or below the range of the trade. What a break. Wait for it to come back. Wait for it to come back. Alright, I'm back. I think we're just gonna try this one more trade out, and that's gonna be the end of this trading session. It's got torched up by this trading session. Back to back losses. Alright, so let's go ahead and just we're gonna try this out. Try this entry out. When it gets down to here, we're gonna take the entry and see how that goes. That's my entry. Boom. Right there. Buy. Play it out. Nice. Nice reaction to the level. Nice. See if we can put in a higher low. Once we can get a nice little higher low up here, I'm going to go ahead and throw that stop in the profit. Beautiful. Okay. Come on. Don't do me wrong. See? It's like, is this being greedy? Am I trying to get too much? How many pips am I trying to get here? This is 3-minute structure. No, hold on. Hold on. If this goes against me, then it's just on my day. Wow, what the fuck? What the? Alright, well, I got my lick back, but what? Wednesday. Oh, we're gonna go look at that on the Forex Factory. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, what happened to that? Wednesday at 2 o'clock. What day was that? Wednesday, March 23rd. Wednesday, March 23rd. Let's pull this up and go to the calendar here. Let's see what the fuck we're gonna put. Because that was crazy. What a candlestick there. Wednesday, March 23rd. The 23rd? 22nd. 22nd. I would have never traded that in real life. Interest rates came out at 2 o'clock. Interest rates. Wow. And they came out as expected. They expected 5. They kept it at 5. Which kept structure going in the way I thought it was supposed to go, which is bullish. Okay. Well, hey. That was my last trade. That was my last trade. Damn, glad I was able to secure something. Nice little $30 win after losing. So I didn't get back what I lost. Was this my first one? I don't know if this was today or the other day. I don't remember. Yeah, that was my small first loss. Okay. Let's zoom out and see what we're looking like. I actually think it's going to keep going down looking at this. I was waiting for price to get here. Price to get here. It's back. Oh shit, whoops, undo. And I was also looking for price to touch this, which it also did. So This could just be a crazy, because that's why I was looking at only traded here. This was like my second, but that shit. It shit happened so fast, there was nothing to do with that. There was nothing I could do with that. That was a 3-minute candle. It's a 3-minute candle that I was looking at before. 3-minute candle. That's insane. I ain't mad at it. I got my win. Excuse me. I got my win to bring me to just below, slightly under break even for the just under break even for the why can't I talk back testing session? So let's just watch it play out. See what happens here. I think that was a good trade. That was a good trade, and I feel like that's a good model. I feel like that's a good model to go by. Once you get a range, mark it out. That's what I did there. I had the range, I marked it out, we broke above it, came back, retested it, and it held. I wasn't sure how far we'd go, so I took it to the nice level that I had confidence in, and then I let it go. I like that. I'm gonna take that lesson for the day. We're gonna call it a day. It's been a long day. I worked from 6:30 a.m. in the morning until 7 p.m. and now it's 10:45. Just back tested for less than an hour. We've been live for an hour and 36 minutes, but I was away for a lot of that. So got a nice little 30-45 minute back testing session in. I want to just try to get more consistent. That's my goal. I just want to get more consistent at both showing up to the charts and at winning. So that's the goal. I'm not even thinking about money right now because I'm trading such a small amount of capital that it's not going to be life changing for a while. So right now I'm just trying to lock in my approach to the market. That's what we're gonna be doing over the next few streams. Honestly, this is all practice. Me streaming, this is practice because I want to get way better at my camera presence, my tone, my volume, I want to be more well spoken on the mic and on the camera. I want to be able to like really turn this into a brand so that by the time I do start getting consistent winning, I can also show up to the camera and give a good quality product of content. Is that what I'm trying to say? Yeah. I just want to give good quality content so that I can build a brand. That's it. I want to build a brand off of this. I enjoy this. This just really feeds my entrepreneurial spirit. I've been looking for a way to like finally break out of the trap of working for somebody else. I have somebody else cut my checks for so long. I think this is gonna buy right here. I'm not touching it. Find the range because right now, so this would be the top of it. We're still at the bottom of it. That's what I gotta see here. Boom. We'll see what happens. Still coming. Okay, so that's my range. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let's just see what we do. Range. We don't take. It's kind of like what's his name? I haven't watched him in so long. I forgot his name. That nigga, Sai. Shout out to Sai. I watched him, man. I don't know. I kind of just fell off of his, but this is kind of like what his trading strategy on the indices. This is pretty similar, and I'm not using it completely. I'm kind of just kind of revamping it just for an entry, but his is like once it breaks above and it pulls back in, you can kind of trade it back to where it was. I'm like, that's not really what I'm doing here. But I am using the range to kind of locate an entry. Felt cool. Felt like a hip dab. My son was in there watching America's Funniest Home Videos on this tablet, on his iPad. I was like, why don't you turn on TV and watch like ridiculousness? I was like, what's that? My son didn't know what ridiculousness is. And I mean, he's 8, so he don't really watch MTV. But I think that it's crazy that ridiculousness be on TV constantly and he's never like even seen it. He's never seen it before. So he's in there watching it now. Alright, see, we're in the range here. We got a top, we got a bottom, we're in the range. Let's see how this plays out. No matter what, I'm not doing more than 10 more minutes. It's 10:50. I'm finished for the day. In 10 more minutes. I'm looking for a break of the zone, but we'll see what happens here. It's consolidated real tight on the Wednesday. Alright, here we go. Now we're making a move. This is about this is the 15-minute here. Yeah. Rest in peace, rich homie Quan, man. Rest in peace, rich homie Quan, man. Shit's crazy. Shit's crazy. Oh, I guess the last time I went live was July 15th. Interesting. And that was for a backtesting session. Rest in peace, Rich Homie Quan. This was an amazing era of hip hop. Shout out to you, man. Rest in peace. Yeah. Rich Homie, baby. Feeling like the man. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah, right. Back. So we're getting an indication here. Trying to make them touch it, man. Won't do for. Yeah. I'm a smooth operator. Okay. This long driving. Oh, I thought I paused it. Motherfucker. Thought I paused it. See, damn. What? It's still going. I thought I paused it. Yo. Tight about that. Tight about that. This is what I would have done. This is what I was looking for. Once we got the break, come back here. I think that might be my new trading strategy. I'm gonna really try to see. I've been looking for a way to fine tune it. So I'm using the structure, but for entries, I'm going to be using this range pattern. I think it's gonna be successful. I can tell if you 12, yeah, right away. Can't put too much in this. But I do eventually want to monetize on YouTube. I know I'm a long way from that because I have 0 viewers right now, but we're going to get there, you feel me? So shout out to Young Quan. Rich Homie Quan, rest in peace. Rest in peace. I do wish things would have worked out better for you, man. You had the potential to be like, I know you was right there with Thug for a long time, but like for some reason you ain't get looked at like that in Atlanta anymore. It was like you kind of just fell off, and I hate that for you, like based off of the shit that was going on. There's a lot of shit going on, a lot of hood politics, and shit you saying you shouldn't get a fair shake, but your talent was undeniable, man. And I feel like you could have been one of those like where it would have been like you, Thug, Future for like that new generation in Atlanta. And unfortunately, because of shit that had played out with you and Thug, like you just didn't get that. But shout out to you. Rest in peace. I'm finna shut it down. Go spend some time with my baby for a little bit.